Hi Aisha, what are you studying?
Spanish.
Give it a second.
What happened?
Guess what I'm planning?
What are you doing?
So we have decided, right, that we are going to do this handcuff challenge, right?
No.
Why?
Not today. आज मेरा बहुत काम है.
आज काम है.
हाँ बहुत काम है.
हाँ, डेली
I
काम
have
होता
to
है.
go shopping. No. ये नहीं हो रहा है आज.
आज ही- अच्छा,
नहीं
okay,
नहीं
okay,
नहीं.
okay.
I'm telling you मुझे
Okay.
काम करना है.
काम हो जाएगा ना, साथ साथ हो जाएगा, इसके साथ
Are you crazy? ये
Yeah.
नहीं होने वाला है अभी.
अरे हो जाएगा, trust me on that.
Oh my god. Seriously, I have a lot of work today. I cannot do this.
Yeah, you can do this one.
This is not. It's not possible.
It is possible. Okay, I'm going to show this. Are these handcuffs actually real or fake?
Obviously, they're real. Look at this. What the hell?
And they are like not fake handcuffs or toy handcuffs. They're actual proper handcuffs.
Oh god.
So here's the thing. We are going for a 12-hour challenge. At least we give a try. And अगर हो गया तो yeah, great. Otherwise, if not, you can start crying or screaming, and then I open you. You will lose the challenge. And if you win the challenge, whatever you ask for. Whatever you ask for. We can go to Sky City Mall and you can ask for
I
anything.
have a lot of work today. Let's
Yeah.
do this some other day.
That is the whole idea. It should not be as per your comfort. It should be as per your non-comfort zone. So today is a non-comfort zone. मुझे पता है तेरे को बहुत काम है आज. And go ahead. Whatever you want to do, just do it. Go ahead, study your Spanish or whatever you like to
How do you expect me to study my Spanish right now?
do. You want to sit and I just put on the book for you or whatever you like to do. What do you want to do?
Sure.
You have an exam tomorrow also, right? Spanish?
Yes.
Perfect.
I know.
Perfect. Now go.
Oh,
Keep studying.
get
However
my
you want
book
to.
there now.
Great.
Struggle is real, guys. Struggle is very real.
Which page?
Oh my god. Let me do
Go
this.
ahead. I think you can manage by yourself, right?
You
Perfect.
think so?
I think so. You are doing great and you can do it.
I'm gonna kill you.
If you can.
When I get out of these, I am gonna kill you.
Not getting out of these,
Yes,
at least
I
for
will.
12 hours.
Yes, I will.
You are not. Bhai, how studious are you? God.
I have an exam coming up. I really need to study.
Let's watch something, maybe. उसके बाद. Let's take a break.
Okay.
Come
Actually,
on.
break के लिए in.
Break के लिए हमेशा है ना. But you are choosing whatever we're going to watch and you can just put on it. Remote is just right there. That's all your mom says कि ये कैसे फोन तोड़ती है और खोती है.
TV, remote.
Oops, switch on किया क्या? Oops, sorry. Oh, by the way, the new season of The Night Manager is in. So
I don't
we can
care.
watch that.
No, I'm not watching it. I'm not listening to you right now.
Chips.
No, thank you.
Of course. Just give it a try. A good one.
Give it here. Give it here. नीचे करो.
Take it. Let it be. You don't want it, that's fine. Okay, what are we watching?
We are watching Friends.
Prime Video. Just put on Prime Video now.
Oh. Friends निकाल लिया Netflix से.
Are you going to type this?
Yes.
Gosh, that is
You can
something.
do this.
Oh, here's the friends. Yeah. We don't have friends on Prime. Oh, we have friends on Prime.
We're gonna watch Friends.
I've never watched Friends in my whole life, by the way.
What?
I mean, I started watching like years ago, and I was like so bored, and I never even tried
Bored?
it. Yeah.
No. That's
And I mean, yeah,
That's insane. You need to watch Friends.
I've never watched it to be honest. I mean, I know the characters and everything, but yeah.
So every watch Friends. You need to watch Friends.
The other short I hate is
Seriously?
The Big Bang Theory.
Okay, that's fine. Friends? You need to watch Friends.
Let's watch Friends, right? Are we watching Friends, right?
Yes.
We are. Yeah. Oh, there's a different version of Friends. Wait, I show it to you.
What?
Yes, and The Night Manager, season 2.
No, I want to watch Friends.
Yeah, this is Friends, by the way. They are Friends, by the way. It's going to be super fun, trust me. You're going to watch it today, the whole binge it, till night, and you're not moving. Otherwise, I handcuff your legs too.
I hate it.
Thank you. See, pretty friends.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, obviously you are always
Let's get
hungry.
food. It's been forever and I need to eat.
Hadn't we just eaten like few hours before?
No, we didn't.
We had breakfast.
No.
Come, maybe find something in fridge. Or we can go and buy something. What do you
I'm
want to
not
have?
going out when I'm
Fridge is empty. कुछ नहीं है. We have to go out.
कुछ तो होगा, come on.
Come on. What do you want to have? It's literally Khali fish.
What the hell? We don't have anything?
Yeah, you have like mosami or something maybe.
No.
And there's a parathas somewhere.
No.
Or you can have ice. I can put the ice
No.
in your jacket. Should I?
No.
Should I?
No.
Should I?
No.
Should
no. I would have hit you, Abhi just.
How?
There's nothing in here.
Yeah.
There's nothing.
There's nothing in
Do
here.
not- Do not give that to me. I'm leaving.
Bye.
I'm leaving.
Bye.
I'm leaving. I can't leave.
Okay, leave now. Just leave.
No.
Yeah, go.
No.
Go.
You knew I actually had work today. This is not funny.
Oops, someone is coming. Go
This
get
is
out.
not funny.
I just closed the
No.
door. Come.
I'm not leaving.
What about the stuff we were supposed to get from DMart?
I'm not getting
Let's go this. Let's do this.
I'm not leaving
Let's
the
do
house
this.
like this.
We are.
No.
We are.
No.
Okay, let's go.
I am not leaving the house like this.
We are.
You cannot make me leave the house
We are.
like this.
And here we go.
Chalo. Let's go. The jacket on thing wasn't working, so we decided वापस switch कर देंगे. But ठीक है, it's fine. Now we'll see. हम suspicious तो कैसे भी लग ही रहा है ना. What do we expect? हाँ गए लेफ्ट में अब हम we're going down. देखते हैं क्या होता है.
Let me check if someone's outside. Because I'm now
This
scared.
is so embarrassing.
अच्छा हो गया यार.
This is too suspicious. See, I'm the one in handcuffs, so I look like the victim. तो मुझे तो कोई कुछ बोलेगा नहीं.
पुलिस मुझे लेके जाएगी.
हाँ, तो वो सब ठीक है, but it's so embarrassing. कोई पूछेगा क्या कर रहे हो, तो क्या बोलूं?
Okay, good. कोई नहीं है. रास्ता साफ है. Oops, कोई है पीछे बच्चे. So here we are.
बहुत लोग हैं.
China. China सही.
बहुत लोग हैं.
इस वक्त है यहाँ पे.
No, let them go. Let them go. बहुत लोग हैं. The most suspicious thing is कि किसी ने कुछ नहीं बोला. सबने देखा कि ये क्या सीन चल रहा है, तो किसी ने कुछ नहीं बोला. वो साइड करो. Let's leave this crowded place.
But we are supposed to go to outside building, right?
We'll go वो वाले gate से.
So we are off to the road.
The most embarrassing thing I've ever done.
And this is the most famous road of Mumbai, जहाँ uncle, aunties, बच्चा बच्चीज and everyone just roams around. गेरी मारने आते हैं यहाँ पे लोग.
See, if someone sees me, it's on you.
Yeah.
ठीक है, आंटी आ रही है पीछे से.
चल चल चल.
Pick out कैसे करूँगी things? I have no idea.
So या इसके बाद अपने को मॉल भी जाना है, सामान पिकअप करना है, बट लेट्स गो जहाँ तक अभी जा सकते हैं। वी टेक अ टैक्सी और एन उबर।
We'll see what we can do.
यप